Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by installing the official mobile pay app and granting permissions. This lets the app access NFC and sensors. Once installed, make sure NFC is enabled and set a secure lock, PIN or fingerprint, because payments require device authentication. Next, open the app and choose Add Card. You should have your physical card and any verification SMS or email available. Do this now. Entering accurate card details speeds verification and avoids delays, so proceed to add your primary payment method. You enter the card number, expiry, and CVV, or use the camera scan to reduce typos. Accuracy matters because banks match those details. Once submitted, complete the bank verification step. Accept an SMS code, email link, or approve via your bank app, so the card is authorized. After verification, choose your default card and enable contactless payment preferences. This ensures the right account charges automatically. Make sure to review daily limits and merchant prompts before testing a small purchase. You make a payment by tapping your phone to the terminal or opening the app's pay screen and authenticating with your PIN or biometric. Wait for the green check and audible confirmation. Once done, confirm the receipt inside the app and watch your bank activity for the charge. This helps reconcile spending immediately. If a transaction fails, first toggle NFC and restart the phone. If that doesn't work, remove and re-add the card or contact your bank for authorization holds, because bank-side blocks are the common culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.